Hi, my name is Paul. How you started playing basketball?
How I started playing basketball. So, it's just like any other kid. It started off sa school. Dito ako lumaki sa Macau. So, pero sa school ko, there's still a lot of Filipinos. So, sa recess, sa lunch, we'd always play. But I really started taking it seriously around 12 years old siguro when we had a basketball coach for the first time sa school namin. Tapos mga kuya ko na sa team, so I just wanted to join them and the big kids. So after nun, everyone was still kind of new to basketball, so fundamentals lahat wala. So puro conditioning lang. So as a kid, being exposed to all that work, parang it helped quite a lot to develop like yung grit ng mga players, yung mindset. Gotta work hard, you gotta fight through the fatigue. And it was a lot of fun. Lalo na lahat ng mga kuyas ko nun, we were all battling through the same thing. So it was a great experience, great start. In the Philippines, I started playing 2017. My dad wanted me to play basketball in the Philippines, so kinontak niya yung recruiter sa Ateneo, si Sir Jojo De La Rama, tapos tryout ako under Coach Joe Silva. So yun, nirecruit ako ng Ateneo and I moved the following year, 2017 yun. So yun, I started playing basketball sa Pinas noong 2017.
How's your college basketball in Ateneo?
College basketball. So, first year, that was 2019. Nasama ako sa training pool ng Team A. And it was a great experience. I got to play and train alongside sila Dirty, yung Nieto Brothers, sila SJ. It was a great experience working with those guys. Pero nakat din ako. Tapos, sa same year, yun, tumama na yung pandemic. Kaya, medyo pangit yung timing. So, when the pandemic ended, fourth year na ako. So, yeah, I didn't really get to play sa Team A. So, mainly Team B ako. Tapos, nung senior year ko, I got to play 3-on-3 sa Ateneo under Coach Sandro. Yes, nung nasa training pool ako si Coach Tab na yung coach ko. He's a great coach, very very wise. He always has a lot of motivational or some wise quotes during, after practice, before practice. He really instills greatness sa mga players niya. And yung culture, yung team culture, solid talaga under Coach Tab. Yeah, it's tough. It's a tough schedule. The work is tough. Pero alam mo yan, it's the sacrifice to be a great team, be great individuals. Tsaka yung maganda rin, yung values na tinuturo niya, hindi lang for basketball, pero nadadala rin siya for life, even when you retire from basketball. Yeah. Great guy. Wow. I mean, inspirational din talaga yung journey niya. Like, kita ko nung first year niya sa Ateneo, medyo payat-payat pa siya, pero after sitting out for a year and coming back, grabe na yung in-improve niya, grabe na yung difference in terms of his body. And in practice, grabe, like, even if I'm a big man, di ko siya mausog. Like, sobrang talaga nun. As a rookie that year, it was like, parang, it's like, wow, these guys are on a different level. So, yun, motivation siya na I'm a long way to go during that time. Solid teammate, kumpait din. Yun, great guy. I'd say, mahirap talaga siya. Like, maraming umaayaw. Like, I know a lot of cases na lumilipat yung mga players kasi di talaga kaya. It's hard, pero yun nga, it's for your own good din naman, like basketball won't be around forever, everyone says that a lot. So, syempre yung degree sa Ateneo, sobrang big deal din sa aming mga players. Pero syempre, it's for some players, it's not for them. Yung mga players na, they just want to focus on basketball, and respectable din naman yung decision na yun. Pero yun nga, learning how to discipline yourself, getting to classes, getting your work done, tapos ka-practice ka after classes. Like, it's not for everyone. It's sobrang pagod, sobrang hirap. It's not just a physical battle, pero mental din. So yan, but you know what, it's worth it. Personally, sobrang worth it siya kasi yun nga, yung values, yung work ethic that you need to develop, the discipline you need to develop, it goes a long way, like not just for basketball, pero real life din na-apply din siya. So, yan, mahirap siya, pero for me, it's worth it.
How your MPBL career started?
So, sa MPBL naman, nag-start siya nung may coach sa Ateneo, si Coach Jeff. May kilala din siyang coach na parang analyst namin sa Iloilo. And basically, kinonect kami and naging parang walk-on ako sa Iloilo. Kasi parang invites only dun sa tryouts nila. So yun, nag-tryout ako and nagustuhan nila yung playstyle ko, yung laro ko. So yun, that's how I got started sa MPBL as a walk-on.
How's experience playing in the MPBL?
Solid siya. Like, first year as a pro sa MPBL, marami talagang learning experience. Yung being a professional, making sure that you're in great shape, always staying ready. Siyempre, you have to understand din yung not parang yung playing time, you have to earn it, it's not just given to everyone. Pero masaya siya. I learned a lot playing with other pros, mga seasoned pros na mga bata, just like me. Physicality, yung talent ng sa MPBL. I think for me at that time, parang I was able to gauge how far I want to become as a player, how much work I need to put in, what aspects of my game I need to improve. So yun, those were my main takeaways when I was playing in MPBL. Yung parang nag-gauge ko how much further I need to get in terms of my personal development as a pro.
How's experience playing in the Asian tournament?
Asian tournament, masaya siya. My first PAT leg, I was under Black Bears. We played sa Iloilo, and yun, alam mo naman mga Filipino fans, grabe yung support, the crowd was great. It was nice playing with seasoned pros, mga naglalaro na internationally for a lot of years. Players who are way more athletic, a lot taller, a lot stronger, or sobrang honed na yung skills. It was a lot of fun playing against those guys kasi syempre parang mas may challenge, parang nag-challenge ako. So parang ginagawa kong challenge sa sarili ko na I want to score this guy, I want to stop this guy. Parang I want to beat this team na on paper sobrang lakas kasi nung naglaro kami, 6 lang kami or 7. So parang underdogs kami. So it was a lot of fun playing, proving people wrong, that parang I belong talaga sa pro scene. It was a great experience, a lot of fun. Yung coach nga pala namin nun si Jay Wash. So he's a great guy. He gave us a lot of freedom to play, gave us a lot of confidence. So yun, parang I can say talaga na playing sa TAT, tumaas talaga yung kumpiyansa ko. So yun, saka solid din siya, exposure.
Why you choose jersey number 24?
Because of this guy. Yeah, number 24 kasi growing up, a player ko si Kobe Bryant. Just growing up, I'd watch yung Kobe and Shaq years ng Lakers. It was electric, it was exciting, a lot of fun to watch those games as a kid. And growing up, parang mas nakarelate na ako sa mindset ni Kobe, his work ethic, the way he approaches and sees the game. It's just, I relate to it a lot, and having the same mindset or developing my mindset like Kobe really helped me a lot through my entire career as a basketball player. Tsaka, coincidentally, birthday din yun ng girlfriend ko. So, yeah, I'll always wear number 24 whenever I get the chance to.
To all your basketball teammates, who has you learned the most?
I'd say, si Kuya Gwen Papacio. Yeah, teammates kami sa Iloilo for one season. Given na a young team kami, we didn't have a lot of vets sa team. So yun, si Kuya Gwen yung isa sa mga vets namin. I kind of relate to him kasi parang medyo introverted din siya, pero kita ko yung maturity niya as a person, as a player, how he is as a professional. He helped me a lot during my time sa Iloilo, sa practices, sa games. Lagi niyang, he'd always help me sa mga parang feedback sa laro ko, ganun. Mga advice. As a professional, as a player, as a person, I learned a lot from Kuya Gwen, and I idol ko yun.
Starting 5 all-time in Los Angeles Lakers.
So, point guard, syempre, legend, Magic Johnson. SG, of course, Kobe. And then SF, if you asked me a few years ago, maybe I wouldn't put him there, but he won us a ring, and he's proven his value sa organization. So number 3 would be LeBron James, King James. Number 4, of course, Kareem the Dream. And number 5, of course, Shaq, just so dominant.
Thank you for watching.